Hi, and let's build number blocks 1 to 10. Let's open it. First, we need to dismantle them. These are all of my number blocks. We need to dismantle them first. Let's dismantle them first. Now we need to dismantle number block 3. Now we need to dismantle number block 4. The face plates and blocks are green. For 5, the color for number block 5 is blue. 6 is indigo. Seven is rainbow. 0. Now 8. 8 is magenta. Next is 9. 9 has 9 grey blocks, 4 face plates and a numbering. And then 10. We have dismantled the number blocks. Now we need to make number block 0. This is one part. We need to find the stand. This is the stand. This is number block 0. This is number block 0. I have separated the face plates and the numberings to one side and the blocks to the another side. Now we need to build number block 1. Number block 1 is red. Let's find a red block. 1 red block. Where's number block 1's face plate? This one. And number block 1's numbering. Here's number block 1. 1, 1, 1. This is number 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 1. Now we need to build number block 2. So for that we need 2 orange blocks. These 2. The orange face plate. The orange face plate. And number block 2's numbering. 2, 2, 2. I am 2. This is number block 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Now number block 3. We need 3 yellow blocks. 1, 2, 3. 2 face plates, the juggling balls, and the face, and the numbering. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Count with me. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 4 blocks are green. Now we need to put on all 4 face plates for number block 4 and the numbering. I am 4, 4, 4, and I'm 2, 2's. I am 3 and 1. 3 and 1 makes 4. 4. 3 and 1 make 4. Now we need number block 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 1 blue block, 2 blue blocks, 3 blue blocks, 4 blue blocks, and 5 blue blocks. Now, you just need to put on 1 face plate and the numbering. 5. I am 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to build number block 6. 1. Purple block 2. Purple blocks 3. Purple blocks 4. Purple blocks. And 5. Purple blocks 6. Purple blocks. 1. Purple faceplate 2. Purple faceplate 3. Purple faceplate 4. Purple faceplates 5. Purple faceplate 6. Purple faceplates and a numbering. I am 6. 6 in the mix. 6, 6, 6, 6. 6 in the mix. 5 and 1, 6. 2 and 4, 6. Do you hear that? I'm lucky number 7. We need to make number block 7. 1 violet block. A violet and an indigo block. A violet, indigo, blue and green. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. 1 violet faceplate and a numbering. I'm lucky number 7. I'm in a happy place. The sun is always shining and always the happiest in the place. Number block 7. 6 and 1 make 7. 2 and 5 make 7. 3 and 4 make 7. And 0 and 7 make 7. Now we need number block 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8. 1 magenta blocks. 2 magenta blocks. 3 magenta blocks. 4 magenta blocks and 5 magenta blocks. 6 magenta blocks. 7 magenta blocks and 8 magenta blocks. 1 faceplate for the mouth. 1 faceplate for the style. 1 faceplate the right eye. 1 faceplate the left eye. And 1 numbering. 8. I'm octoblock. I'm octoblock. 7 and 1. 2 and 6. 3 and 5. 4 and another 4. Makes 8. Now we need to make number block 9. Number block 9 is very great. 3 times 3. 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is very good. 3 times 3 makes 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 grey blocks in 3 different shades. Dark grey, medium grey and light grey. 4 grey faceplates. 4 grey faceplates. First we add the numbering and then 4 grey faceplates. 1 faceplate. 2 faceplates. 3 faceplates and 4 faceplates. 9. I am 5, 3 and 2. I am 8 and 1. 9. 2, 3 and 5 make 9. 5 and 4 make 9. 6 and 3 make 9. The 3 threes make 9. We need number block 10. 10. 10. Count the white blocks with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. One faceplate, 2 faceplates, 3 faceplates, 4 faceplates, and a numbering. I am number block 10. If you want all of the number blocks from 1 to 10, you can buy them from Amazon for £21. Or there's a new magazine which is going to end on 1 May 2026, which you can buy at the price of £7.99. The blocks look different, but they're all from 1 to 10, and they also have number links. So a big magazine inside which has loads of activities. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!